Clear-cut rejection right into the resistance zone. This is the power of technical analysis. Stalkers, welcome back. I'm on the daily chart of DFM market, that is Dubai Financial Market. As you can see, market today printed a red candle. In my last video, I had mentioned once this area of resistance, that is 4,779, is taken out, we will see next hurdle at 4,834 points. Clearly, market rejected this zone today. It tried to climb up, but it could not close above it. The high of today was 4,850 points. We can see a wick at the top indicating rejection zone. So is the market bearish now, or is the downtrend started? Not yet. This is just a small rejection. There are chances either market may bounce up again from 4,779 points, or it can trade within this zone. Still, market is very bullish, it's very positive, and there are chances of continuation from here. Next identified resistance as of now is at 4,902 points. There are chances we may see upside momentum, a retest of this zone, that is 4,834. Obviously, once this is broken, then we may see upside momentum till about 4,902 points. Market is going up in a nice bullish momentum. We can see sideways momentum, upside move, again a small pause, a new leg to the upside, a consolidation phase, and then again a breakout. So this is a very healthy and positive scenario. Whenever market makes a upside momentum, it corrects itself, again new upside momentum, a correction phase, and then a new leg to the upside. Overall, DFM market is very positive, it's bullish. I have just mentioned support stands at 4,779. In case if this fails, we have 4,725 points. If this fails as well, then we have stronger support now at 4,699 points. Overall, any dip in the market should not be considered as bearish or trend reversal. It's still positive. This is the time when we say buy the dips in the market. ADX market, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, today printed a red candle. Again a rejection. As it is, I had mentioned, ADX market is looking weaker when I compare it with DFM market index. We can clearly see a solid red candle. Market failed to move up, and from here it broke the support of 9,404 points. It also took out 9,352 points, and then when it made this red candle, I was expecting a continuation to the downside. However, we saw a pause candle, a green candle, and today market got rejected. This is not a good sign. There are chances we may see downside momentum. If you remember earlier, I had mentioned there is support at around 9,300 to 9,330 points. The same zone is now acting as a resistance. Market tried to go up today. It could not. High of today was at 9,334 points. So there are chances tomorrow market may come down to revisit and test the same zone, that is 9,245. If this fails, then we have support at 9,160 points. I would be only bullish or at least positive when I see a solid candle close above this zone, that is 9,404 points, because as of now, looking at the price action, it's looking a bit negative. Check this out. After the strong drop to the downside, market tried to recover. It came down almost 80%, and from here we saw upside momentum. It could not touch the high of this swing, that is around 9,520 points. This zone is still untouched. So if at all market can climb up and break past above this zone, that's when I will consider this to be positive, and then there are chances market may try and visit this area. For now, I'm a bit negative on ADX market index. Let's see how it performs during this week. We still have 2 days remaining. This is the daily chart of Julphar. After hitting a high of 1.78, we are seeing it's under selling pressure. Today it got rejected when it was trying to break out and close above 1.40. This area was previously a support zone. We can see good bounces from here, and lately we saw a breakdown. Today's closing is negative. We are seeing a rejection of this area. But still, I would consider this to be positive, because after this selling pressure that was continuously for the last 4 days, now we are seeing a green candle. This is the first buying pressure after these 4 days. There are chances it may try and break out and close above this zone during this week or maybe tomorrow. This will be a good place for entry. Reason is stop loss will be very small. If at all we take our entries at around 1.33, 1.34 area, we can safely place our stop loss below the low of this candle at 1.28. So if at all, if this zone is our risk area, that is stop loss area, and we are targeting the next strong resistance, that is around 1.65. If we calculate our risk to reward ratio, it's just matching, it's just perfect. Check this out. If at all we plan our entries here, and if I adjust my stop loss below the low of this candle, my target is at the resistance zone, then I'm getting 1:5.3 as my risk to reward ratio. So this is more than enough. This is very good. This perfectly suits our risk to reward management. So overall, Julphar is still in an uptrend. We are seeing slight strength today with good volumes. I do not want to see a gap down opening tomorrow. Today's closing is at 1.33. If at all it opens at 1.33 or 1.34, I would consider this to be positive and good for entries. But in case if it opens with a gap down, then there are chances we may come down to visit 1.20, as I had mentioned in my previous video as well. If this video was helpful, then please do not forget to hit the like button. Join my YouTube membership by scanning this QR code. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.